In this video, I'm going to show you how to save down an Excel attachment, or any attachment for that matter, with any file type name, .xlsx or .pdf, etc. with VBA. It'll detect it and it'll save it down as a different name in that instance only. So here's an example email. I have it selected in Outlook, and I'm going to save it into whichever folder I select here. So I'm going to open up the Visual Basic Editor over here. I have this code over here. I have these tools references enabled in the Visual Basic Editor in Outlook. And here is my code, which you get from copy and paste from my website. And I'll scroll through it now real quick if you want to type it out yourself. And I'm going to comment out this one section here, message box error number, because I just wanted to hear what the error was on the error. It'll go to the error handler and then it'll tell me whatever the error is. So if the error happens to be this, which indicates too long of a name, then in that case I want to call this function over here, and I want to set this public variable getExtension2, which I declared up here. I want to set that equal to everything after the dot in the file name, and then over here I basically add that to the name, so it would be too long name and dot, and then whatever the file extension is actually stripped right out of the actual full file name. So I'm just going to play the code. I'm going to select where I want to save, press OK, set the name of the email, and basically it's saved down right here. So save down the file name from the Outlook email, and it also saved down the email because in my other videos I showed you how to save the emails down as well. So that's basically how that works. Basically, you can say, like, in the instance that there is an error, if the error number doesn't equal this, then you could just go to the end of the code here and you could just end the program. So that's pretty useful because you can just do an if statement, and like if the error happens to equal too long of a name, then you want this to happen instead. And then I have a go to here, which skips the actual saving with the normal file name, because in the instance that there is an error, then obviously I want to save it with a shorter name and still with the same extension, so it still opens up normally.